Here I've got DOOGEE Mix, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select security. Here it is under personal. Now you have to go to the bottom of the list where you will notice clear credentials. Simply click on this tab, and if you truly want to remove all contents, click on OK. And that would be all. You've just cleared credentials in your device in your DOOGEE Mix. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.